Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into Microsoft stock, symbol Microsoft, as of December 10th, 2024. Let's first look at some of the current events and news related to Microsoft. Recent news headlines suggest a generally positive outlook for Microsoft. Several sources report Microsoft hitting its highest close in nearly 5 months, with analysts suggesting it's a buy again. However, other sources present more cautious perspectives, noting potential market misinterpretations of Microsoft's value. Now, let's transition to the charts and see what they tell us. We'll begin with the daily chart, examining the overall trends and significant price movements. The daily chart shows a recent surge in MSFT's price, reaching its highest point in several months. This upward trend correlates with the positive news coverage highlighting the company's recent successes and strong market positioning. However, we need to also look at the 1-hour and 15-minute charts to confirm this momentum and potential reversals. Let's now shift our focus to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at shorter-term price fluctuations and momentum. The 1-hour chart allows us to observe more granular detail compared to the daily chart. The 1-hour chart shows some minor fluctuations and consolidations within the recent upward trend, indicating potential moments of support and resistance. The volume may also give more insights about these movements. We are looking for clear signs of bullish or bearish momentum. Zooming in on the past week's 1-hour candles reveals a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, a bullish signal. This short-term upward trend seems to suggest the continued positive sentiment expressed in the news. For an even more detailed analysis of the recent price action, let's examine the 15-minute chart. This will give us the most granular view of support and resistance. The 15-minute chart shows increased volatility within the timeframe observed and is extremely useful in identifying smaller-scale support and resistance levels. These levels are useful in determining entry and exit points in short-term trading. Analyzing these charts together, we see a consistent upward trend across all 3 timeframes. However, it is important to be aware of the volatility and short-term reversals that are likely. Key price levels to watch include the recent high around 446 on the daily chart, which serves as potential resistance, and the support level around 420, also on the daily chart. A break above 446 would be a very strong bullish signal, while a fall below 420 may signal a bearish reversal. Short-term predictions: there's a moderate likelihood, 60%, of the price testing the 446 resistance level in the coming days or weeks, provided that the bullish momentum on the 1-hour chart is sustained. Conditions that might reinforce this include continued positive news coverage and increased trading volume. Long-term predictions: there's a higher likelihood, 70%, of sustained growth in MSFT's stock price over the next few months. This is based on the overall positive trends observed across various charts, along with favorable news sentiment. Sustained break above 446 and increased trading volume are factors to reinforce this. In conclusion, based on current news and technical analysis across multiple timeframes, Microsoft presents a potentially bullish outlook in both the short and long term. However, volatility and short-term corrections should always be expected.